What up, bro? It's nice to see you here. I didn't think I'd see you here. No, thank you. Well, this is the moment of truth, guys. If I get pulled over here, this is like a whole GTA lobby right now. This is great. You ready to go?
Let's go.
Gotta love it. The reactions that this thing gets and the looks and the stares are just freaking awesome, dude. Except for whenever they're from the police. Hey man, your thing sounds pretty nasty.
That thing's rowdy, man.
It's pretty rowdy, yeah. Hey, is it bright?
Very, yeah.
Good. Bro, it's so cold I'm spinning.
Me too. I don't ever spin.
The Christmas lights on the car is insane, dude. It is so crazy. Oh my gosh, she is getting sideways. That's how you know it's cold outside. Nitto NTO5's losing traction. Insane. So many potholes in downtown Birmingham, man. You almost have to drive like halfway in the road to avoid all these things. Straddle 2 different lanes. Oh, look. Nothing but red lights downtown. Gotta love it.
Hey, sound good.
Hey, I appreciate it, man.
You get on it one time. I look at my cousin out here somewhere. He's driving a Camaro.
She is losing traction so easy. These roads are almost too rough to do any kind of pulls though. Finally caught back up with Palmer. Oh, okay. Dude, these roads, man. There's a Birmingham PD, hopefully, okay. Well, this is the moment of truth, guys. If I get pulled over here, I really, oh, he's coming. He's coming. Birmingham PD is behind us. Well, never mind. Birmingham PD is in fact not behind us anymore. I guess I don't care. Because I know for damn sure this is not legal.
We're in the city.
Dab me up, bro.
What up, bro?
What up, bro? It's nice to see you here. I didn't think I'd see you here. How you been, brother? How you been? You been pretty good?
You got a new car, huh?
Yeah, I see what you did to the car, bro. It's been pretty nice. All right, well, I'll catch you later, buddy. Bye. Oh, I heard my front lip scrape. Oh. At least the lights are hanging on pretty good. No thank you. Gotta love how long second gear is. I'm about to get out again, watch this, look. Bro, what's up, man? How are you doing? Bro, it's crazy seeing you here. Hey, you have a good day. Hey, I appreciate it, my guy. Woo! This is like a whole GTA lobby right now. This is great. I'm gonna say, buddy's kind of speeding up a little fast right there. It's red. Oh, the burbles. Hey, man. What's the retail on one of those? Oh.
It's a nice car, man.
Thanks, man. It's covered in blue painter's tape.
Now you get to see what it looks like when the lights are
Yeah,
on.
now this is awful. It looks terrible like this. Oh well. It looks sweet at night, so that's all I care about. All right, guys. Well, there you have it. A little POV video with my C5 Corvette with the Christmas lights. I have them turned off now, obviously, because I'll be making the drive home and don't want to get pulled over on the interstate because state troopers just love to give me tickets. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe, and also go subscribe to his channel. I'm gonna leave it linked in the description below. So yeah, go check him out. He's gonna be posting a POV also of the same drive. But yeah, just go support him, and I will see y'all guys in the next one.